Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Behance location. To begin, open Behance and make sure you are on the main For You page. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to your account menu and profile settings. Once the page is loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your avatar. This will open your account area and take you to your profile. After that, you'll be directed to your profile page. Here, you can review the information that is currently visible on your account. Take a moment to locate your current location on the profile so you can confirm what is set right now before making any updates. This helps you verify that you're editing the correct detail. Next, find and click the Edit Profile Info option. This is where Behance lets you update the personal and professional details displayed on your profile. Once the editor opens, click on Basic Information. This section contains the key profile fields, including the one you need for this update. Inside Basic Information, you'll see the Location field. This is the setting that controls the location shown on your Behance profile. Click into that field and choose your location. Depending on what Behance displays, you may be able to type and select from matching results, so it's a good idea to choose the most accurate option available. Make sure the location reflects how you want your profile to appear to others, especially if you use Behance for networking, freelance work, or portfolio visibility. Once you've selected your new location, the change is automatically saved. That means you usually won't need to click a separate Save button, which makes the process quick and simple. After the update has been applied, click back to Profile to return to your public profile page. When you're back on your profile, you can check that the new location is now displayed correctly. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh and review it again. This can help confirm that the change has fully updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Behance location. Keeping your profile information current can make your account more accurate and more useful for anyone viewing your work. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped.